beauties, welcome back to my channel. So I'm excited about today's video because for one, it's Memorial Day and I'm doing a Memorial Day tutorial for you guys, and also because I'm using natural lighting. I'm so happy that it's really nice outside. All the light is coming through, so I don't have to set up any lighting or anything. I'm right in front of my window and all the natural lighting is coming through, so I'm happy for that. So if you guys hear any loud noises or people talking, those are people walking by because they're going to a parade up the street from where I live. But I want to actually do this video really quick so I can probably make it to the parade also. So guys, I'm gonna start off by using my Renaissance palette, Modern Renaissance palette. I absolutely love this palette, but I haven't used it in a while. I already primed my eyelids, so now I'm going in with this color. It's Golden Ochre. Now that I've set my eyelids, I'm gonna go in with the color Venetian Red, this color right here, and I'm gonna use this in my crease area. And guys, this palette, there's a lot of fallout, so make sure when you're using it, you want to tap your brush to get rid of that excess powder that's on your brush. Okay guys, so now I'm going in with my Ace Beauty Quintessential palette, and this palette, guys, is so dope. The colors are really pigmented and they go on really smooth. I really love this palette and I'm so happy I'm using it today. But I'm gonna go in with this blue right here. It's called Juniper. It's a really pretty blue. And I'm gonna go in with my shader brush. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go back in with my Quintessential palette. I'm gonna go in with Starry Nights, this color. It looks like a grayish silvery color, so I'm gonna go with that in the middle section there. Okay guys, now that I've done that, I'm just gonna use the same brush that I put the blue color on, and I'm gonna blend that in a little bit so it won't look so harsh. So I'm gonna go in with this same blue Juniper, and I'm gonna do my under eye. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go back in with Starry Nights, this color right here, and I'm gonna use this into my tear duct area. gonna go back in with my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm gonna go in with Vermeer, this color right here, and I'm just gonna use this on my, I'm just gonna put this right under my brow bone. Okay guys, now that the eye is done, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Soft Focus face primer, and I'm just gonna prime. Honestly, I'm just gonna go do my T-zone area because that's where I normally sweat the most. Okay, now that has dried, I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite foundations, and it's the Makeup Forever foundation, Makeup Forever HD. This foundation is so good, guys. Like, it looks like skin on your skin. That's how much I love this foundation. So this is what I'm putting on today. It looks natural. So let's get right into this. Okay guys, so I'm gonna let the foundation dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna go over it with my face powder to set it in place, so that, because it's really hot outside and I don't want my makeup melting. So I'm just gonna let this dry. Okay guys, I'm going in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, and this is to set the foundation. Now guys, I'm gonna highlight with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the color Medium Tan Sand. So I'm just gonna highlight under my eyes, down my nose, and wherever that needs highlighting. So I'm going in with my, I believe I got this sponge from e.l.f. It's not the real beauty blender, but it does the job. And I'm just gonna blend this out. Okay guys, now that I've done that, I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier loose setting powder, and I'm gonna use this to set under my eye. Wherever I put the highlight, that's where I'm gonna set. And it comes with this little cute thingy. I really like that. Okay guys, while I let this bake, I'm gonna go in with my NYX contour palette, and I'm gonna go in with this dark shade right here, and I'm gonna use this to contour with, and I'm using my contour brush. I'm not doing a really in-depth, I'm not doing a really dark contour. I just want a slight contour because it's not that serious today. Okay, now that I'm done contouring, I'm just gonna go back in with this big fluffy brush that I use to set my makeup, and I'm not putting any product on it. I'm just using whatever residue that's left behind to dust away the powder where I highlighted. And some of the residue on here will bring back some color to my face. Okay guys, now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in with my highlighter, and I'm torn guys because I love Laura Geller highlighter, and I also love Artist Couture highlighter, but I think I'm gonna go with the Laura Geller because this one is like really bling bling, so I want to tone it down a little bit, so I'm just gonna go with the Laura Geller. So my next item, I'm going in with my e.l.f. blush palette. Now, anyone knows me know that I'm not really keen on blush. Like, I don't really too care for blush. But today I'm gonna put some on, and this is what it looks like. I think I'm gonna go in with, it doesn't tell you what colors these are, but I'm gonna go in with the more lighter, this one right here. I'm just adding a tiny bit. Okay guys, let's go in with lips. I'm just using my NYX lip Pump It Up lip injection, lip plumper, and I'm just using this to moisturize my lip. I don't feel like it plumps, but it's a really good moisturizer. My retractable NYX lip liner in the color red, and I'm just gonna line my lip. My camera is literally on 6%, guys. Okay guys, so now that I've lined my lips, I'm just gonna put my infallible L'Oreal Infallible leg gloss. That's what it's called. Okay guys, now I'm trying to rush because my camera is on 3 minutes now. So now I'm gonna go in with my MAC Fix Plus spray, and I'm gonna spray this all over my face. And I'm gonna, so guys, I'm gonna let my camera charge a little bit and come back and show you the rest. So guys, I already put my lashes on off camera, and now I'm gonna go back in with my Gilded Honey highlighter by Laura Geller, and I'm just gonna add a little bit more to my cheek. To use my Manga Voluminous mascara, and I'm just gonna put this on my bottom lashes.